Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So guys, today I'm gonna make something useful from this loose ruffled tank top. So if you wanna find out what am I gonna make, please come and join me guys from start to finish. First thing first, I'm gonna remove this shoulder strap, this two shoulder strap, and I'm gonna transfer it here later. I'm gonna cut this one. So it's already cut. Now we're all ready, and then I'm gonna proceed to what am I going to make with this loose ruffled tank top. Can you guess guys what am I going to make with this? First I'm gonna flip this one up. I'm not gonna cut this fabric. I will just fold it like this, okay, and sew it from here. So I didn't cut any fabric here, just fold it like this and sew it here. So I'm done from this sides and also the other side, and now I'm gonna sew it here from the bottom like this. Be putting the strap in here. So guys, it's already done. See, I already have a grocery bag. So this is it. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you liked it, and please do like, subscribe, click the notification bell for updates. Thank you guys so much, and God bless to all of you. Bye.